Hi friends, good morning and again welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So here today I am going to discuss with you how to find third highest rank using dense rank analytical function. Okay, so here we are using dense rank function, that is analytical function. So first we go to what is dense rank. So here for example I made table here. The first column contains ID column and then it is dense rank, then rank column. So dense rank is it assigns ranks to the rows of the table. If duplicate occurs, it does not skip the next rank. So here rank is it assigns ranks to the rows of the table. If duplicate occurs, then it skips the next rank. For example, see here in ID column 100, 101, 102, 101 again and 102. So here rank is 1 and for 101 rank is 2, again 101 repeats, again the rank is 2 and 102 and rank is 3. So after consecutive ranks 1, 2, again 3 appears here in dense rank. It does not skip the next rank. But as in case of rank, for 100 it is 1, for 101 it is 2 and for 101 again it is 2 and for 102 it assigned fourth rank. So it skips the third rank here. So this is what the difference between dense rank and rank. Okay, so I think you understood this concept. So I'm using here SQL Developer. So I already logged into the SQL Developer, and you may use any of the softwares like SQL Developer and SQL Plus. Okay, so there is nothing matters. So this is easy for writing queries and practicing purpose. So here I just used employees table. So all the records are present here. So just right click on here and click on count rows. There are 107 rows are present. So today I am going to show you how to fetch the third highest rank using dense rank method. So I'm just writing here query with explanation. So select start from, okay, to select all the records, all the details for particular employee who has third highest salary. Okay, within parenthesis select dense rank. It follows with open close parenthesis and over clause. This is standard. Open parenthesis here, order by salary, because we are fetching third highest salary in DESC, descending order pattern. If we do this descending order pattern, then we can get third highest salary. Okay, so this is alias name, comma, e dot star. This is to stick to column, that particular column. Okay, we are using e dot star. From employees e, because we used here alias as rnk comma e dot star to stick to particular column. So use from employee space e, close the parenthesis here. Then where we can use here where clause, where rnk is equal to 3. So this is what the query goes like this. So we can see here once again, select star from. So we have to select all the details of particular employee who has salary, that is third highest salary. So within parenthesis select dense rank. As dense rank we already know the details, like if any duplicate record occurs, then it does not skip the next rank, and it follows by open close parenthesis and over clause. In our clause we use order by salary because we want to fetch third highest salary, so order by salary in descending pattern, and used alias rnk comma e dot star to stick to particular column from employees space e, and where rnk is equal to 3. So if you execute this, just press Ctrl Enter. If you execute this, you will get the third highest salary. So you can see here its fetch rank is third, employee ID and John Russell last name, and the salary is 14,000. So this is what the third highest salary you can fetch using dense rank function. This is analytical function in SQL, so you can use this for to fetch the third highest salary. If you want to fetch fourth highest salary, you can just replace with number here 4, then you will get, execute this, you will get fourth highest salary. So which one salary you want, which highest salary you want, you can just replace the number here. Sixth highest salary, Control Enter, execute, you will get the same salary of two employees having same salary, so it's giving two records here. So if you want to fetch second highest salary, you can do that. So the two employees having same salary, 17,000 rupees, so it's displaying both of the records. So this is what the method to fetch the third highest salary or second highest salary using dense rank method. So this is as easy as to execute. Only thing is we have to come to know that the logic behind this query. Okay, using dense rank, you must know the difference between dense rank, and the analytical functions, functionalities. Okay, row number. So this is what you can know the things about executing the third highest salary. So if you like this video, kindly like this video and share my video and subscribe to my channel, SQL Master channel. So like this one by one interview questions, interview queries I will update in my channel. Okay, so in the next videos you can get one more beautiful queries, almost all the interviewers ask in interviews. Okay, so this is what the thing I am going to share with you today. So thank you for watching this video, and bye bye, see you in next video. Take care.